guys, it's me, the Water Butchers, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Fruit Ninja game in Scratch. So if you don't know what Scratch is, it's pretty much just a coding language that is simple, and it just has a bunch of different blocks of code in it. And the link to Scratch will be in the description. And before we start, just help me get my 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, and please make sure to like and subscribe. The 4,000 watch hours are just basically watching my videos longer so I could get monetized or like earn money on YouTube. That'll help me out so much. So if you can watch it all the way through, there's a link to a playlist that you can, if you can, watch it all the way through. The link to that playlist will be in the description. So anyways, let's get started to our Fruit Ninja game. So it'll be kind of like Fruit Ninja. It's pretty simple, honestly. But it's not gonna be a whole lot like Fruit Ninja. I don't know. It'll be a simplified version. So let's just go to choose a sprite. I'm gonna choose an apple because it's fruit, but let's just look through all of them. So there's bananas, apple. Okay, I'm gonna do an apple. Let's set the size down to like 50. Maybe 75. And let's add a when green flag clicked. Go to random position. And then we'll repeat, let's say, 25 times. So this will be a seamless loop. So we'll repeat, let's say forever. Oh yeah, let's do forever. Wait 2 seconds and we'll create clone of myself. So what that does is, you guys probably won't see it. Yeah, it won't show. So we're just gonna do when I start as a clone, and we'll go to random position. There we go. So let's see if that works. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. See, it'll keep doing that. And yeah, it's just creating clones pretty much everywhere. So what this does is, when the green flag is clicked, it will go to a random position, right? And then forever, it will wait 2 seconds before it will create a clone of itself. And then after that, 2 seconds, it will create a clone of itself. Then when it starts as a clone, so when this create clone of myself gets kind of broadcasts that, it will trigger this code that will make the clone go to a random position. So that's pretty much it. Simple. I'm going to add a backdrop because I just want to do it real quick. Is there a dojo? No. I was gonna say I want it to be like a Fruit Ninja one. Let's do this sprite one. Or sorry, this stripes one. So let's add another sprite. Choose a sprite. Yeah, let's do bananas. Or let me just see. Okay, that's not on there. So we'll just add another sprite, bananas. Set the size down to 75. There we go. We will copy this code. We'll Control D to, or sorry, that's not right. Control C, V to duplicate that. Drag it into here. And then we'll Control C, V. We'll select that. Drag that into there. So the Scratch GUI just sucks, or the GUI sucks. It just is not. It's not good. So if you have to kind of fidget around with that, just kind of do that. I keep doing that. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna switch this to where is it? Forget how you do it. Oh, never mind. You know, it's fine. We'll just put that in there. If not, then, if that doesn't, yeah, there we go. Finally went in. Okay, now we'll have the same code here. So, yep, there we go. It'll spawn at the same time. So for the bananas, I want to make it about, let's say, 3.4, whoops. Oh, wow. Yep, no. We'll do 3.5 seconds. That's pretty good. So it'll be a bit longer. I don't want to create a new clone. Or actually, before we do that, forever, it's an if statement. Forever if, oh, let's get rid of that. Touching mouse pointer, then delete this clone. So if we try that on the banana, well, let's see where the clone is. Oh, that might be the part that that we got to put in here. So let's go to forever. Let's see if that works. There we go. But see, this will not start as a clone. So what I'm going to do to fix that is I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to go to looks. I'm going to go to set color effect block, and we'll set it to ghost effect. We'll set that to 100. I think that's what it is typically. Set ghost effect to 1. And then we'll right click, duplicate that, put that right there to 0. So this one shouldn't spawn. So I'm not sure what that basic ghost effect is. You know what? Let's just do hide. And then we'll do show. There we go. Now it's kind of got that. There we go. Now we don't have that bug. So what I want to do is I want to just kind of do the same thing on these other sprites. So I'm just going to, you know what? Yeah, let's just duplicate that. Oops, we'll drag that into there, put that in there, add a hide block right there, and there we go. So we got those blocks kind of, or those things kind of spawning in, and yeah, that's pretty fun. I want to add a danger sprite though, so I'm just going to go to paint a sprite, and I'm just going to make a simple bomb. So yeah, I've done a video on how to draw sprites, so go check that out. It's on my channel. Okay, so there is my bomb sprite. I'm just going to set the size to, or you know what, let's just Control A. We'll kind of scale it up a bit there. I'm sure you guys could do a lot better than me, but this is just what mine's going to be. I'm just going to rename this to Danger. Oh, that is not right. Danger. Then we'll name this to Apple and Bananas. Okay, I guess that's fine. So we'll just take this out. We'll just delete these blocks. So, you know, let's just drag those out. So I want to add a score variable. Actually, yeah. Let's just duplicate all of this code, kind of put it into there. Just kind of put it into everywhere, like, you know, like into this one. So just gonna put that in there. Hopefully that'll be in there. Yep. There's so many of them. Okay. I'm just gonna take this, duplicate, put it into there. It's not in there, so we'll just take it again. Drag it into there. Okay, there we go. So now we have this code. So it won't be any other than just the other one. So if we slice it, you know, it will be the same. So what I want to do is I want to actually set the size to, let's say, 135. I want to show it real quick. Actually, no, 120. Yeah, that's good. Let's hide it again. So what I'm going to do is when I start as clone, I'm going to broadcast a new message. We will broadcast a new message, and this will say, this will be new message. We'll name it game over. There we go. So when this happens, it touches the mouse pointer. Instead of it just deleting it, it will delete it, but it'll also broadcast a message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to variables. I'm going to go to score. I'm just going to type in score for all sprites. And I'm going to do large readout. Put it over there. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Apple, delete this clone. I'm going to change score variable by 1, and then delete my variable. And we'll set this to 0 at the beginning. And let's just do the same over here. There we go. Oh, that was the wrong thing. I wonder if there's any other ones. No, it's just this one. Change score by 1, set score to 0. So what this does is just kind of setting the variable numbers and changing them. Not super complex. And then right here, I'm going to hide variable score. You know what? Let's broadcast the message first, and then we'll do that. So, yeah. Then we'll show the variable score at the beginning of the game. So, if this works, we will spawn in. Boom. Boom. If that happens, it will hide the variable score. But it keeps going on, so that's a problem. So we're just going to go to events, and we're going to do when I receive game over. We're going to do stop other scripts in this sprite, not stop all. Other scripts in this sprite. And then we'll go here. Game over. Stop other scripts in the sprite. So is I'm just going to now try this out. So, well, try that. Boom, we got some scores. Now it stops. So that should have happened. I'm not sure why. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, let's just do hide. Just put hide at all of these. Boom. Okay, now if we try it. Boom. Does it. Boom, boom. Try that, and then it hides everything. So let's just add a quick game over. Go to name this game over. Go to text, make it this nice black. Go to sans serif. I'm gonna do pixel. And do game over. There we go. Now we got a game over sign. Gonna scale that up. You guys can play some sound effects if you want that. So I'm just gonna go back to the code. When green flag clicked. Gonna do hide. When I receive game over, we will show. And let's start a new sound. We'll go to here. We'll do start sound lose. Yep, that's good. That's what I typically do on mine. On my basic Scratch games. Start sound lose. And there we go. Let's try the game out. So when green flag clicked. Got all of these. Boom, boom. Try that. That's what happens when you play the game. So yeah, guys, there's our Fruit Ninja game in Scratch. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And the link to this project will be in the description below, so you guys are able to play it. I'm just going to rename this to, I'm just going to name it to Fruit Ninja. Alright, there we go. So please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, you guys can remix this, make it however you want, or you guys can make your own. And if you want to share this, just go to share. And let's just let me go cancel. We'll save that. We'll go back to my stuff. And here we go. Go right here. So it says this project not shared, so you can only see it. Click here. So if you just again ask your parents if you're able to share it. If you're not, that's okay. Just show them the game. It's pretty fun. They could try it out and see who can get the best score. I'm just gonna do fruit or slash the fruit with your mouse. And there we go. Now just click share if you're allowed to. Again, just ask your parents. And there we go. You could turn commenting off. That's what I'm going to do. Heart it and favorite. And yeah, there's your game. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.